Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Academia. Let's start today's lesson with 100 questions from the Rigvedic age. And these questions are from Krishna Reddy's book. So let's get started. And one thing, my ancient history playlist is in my description box. Please visit my description box and follow the link for more ancient history videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start with the first question. The Rigveda refers to Mujavant, one of the peaks of the Himavant or the Himalayan mountains, as the source of Soma drink, Sura drink, camphor, madhu or honey. The right answer is Soma drink. Next question is, what was Dasharajna? 10 incarnations of Vishnu, a former slave turned into a ruler, battle of the 10 kings, 10 sacrifices to be performed by the son of a slave mother. So the right answer is battle of the 10 kings. Next question is, in which of the following Upanishads was the doctrine of Trimurti found, which is probably also the last of all the Upanishads? Maitrayani, Shivasvatara, Chandogya and Mundaka. The correct answer is Maitrayani. Next question is, I am a reciter of hymns, my father is a physician and my mother grinds corn with stones. We desire to obtain wealth in various actions. This verse, illustrating the occupational rather than birth-based division of society, is found in which mandala of the Rigveda? Mandala 1, Mandala 10, Mandala 2 or Mandala 9? The correct answer is Mandala 9. Next question is, after the battle of 10 kings, Sudhas of Bharatas had to fight against a combination of 3 non-Aryan tribes led by King Veda on the banks of the Yamuna. Which were the 3 types? Ajas, Kikatas, Sigrus, Kiratas, Yakshus or Simus? Select the answer from the codes given below. Option A 1, 2, 3, option B 2, 3, 4, option C 1, 3, 4, 5 and option D 2, 4, 6. The correct answer is option C 1, 3 and 5, Ajas, Sigrus and Simuyus. Next question is, given below the 2 statements, one labeled as assertion and the other labeled as reason. Assertion: during the Rigvedic period, the doctrine of divine kinship was unknown, and the reason, the Rigveda describes King Purushottam of Purus as Ardhadeva or semi-divine. In the context of the above 2 statements, which of the following is correct? Option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true but R is false, and option D, A is false but R is true. The correct answer is both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Next question is, which was probably the most popular assembly in which even women enjoyed an equal status of men in the early Vedic period? Sabha, option B Samiti, option C Gana and option D Vidhata. The right answer is option D Vidhata. Next question is, when Yayati, a Kshatriya king, married Devyani, the daughter of a priest, it resulted in the option A Pratiloma marriage, option B Anuloma marriage, option C Savarna marriage and option D Niyoga marriage. So the correct answer is option A Pratiloma marriage. Next question is, while Purushottam of the Rigveda mentions the origin of the Chaturvarna system for the first time, another Vedic text repeats the same theory. Which was the text? Option A Atharva Veda, option B Satpatha Brahmana, option C Brihadaranyaka Upanishad and option D Chandogya Upanishad. The correct answer is Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Next question is the tribal confederacy of 10 kings formed against the Bharatas consisted of rulers of 5 well-known tribes beside those of 5 lesser-known tribes. Identify the 5 well-known tribes from among the following: Puru, Yadu, Turvasa, Anu, Druhu, Alina, Paktha, Bhalana, Siva or Vishanin. Choose the answers from the codes given below. Option A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Option B 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Option C 1, 4, 6, 9 and 10. And option D 1, 3, 4, 8 and 9. The correct answer is option A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Puru, Yadu, Turvasa, Anu and Druhu. Next question is which priest was responsible for the organization of the confederacy of 10 kings when he was dismissed by Sudas? The three ruler of the Bharata tribe. Option A Vasishtha, option B Vishwamitra, option C Yarnavalaka and option D Uddalaka Aruni. The correct answer is option B Vishwamitra. Next question is which one of the following assemblies was also called Narishta, meaning a resolution of many that cannot be broken? Option A Gana, option B Vidata, option C Sabha and option D Samiti. The correct answer is option C Sabha. Next question is the Rigvedic samanas were probably option A religious gatherings discussing various metaphysical aspects, option B popular institutions conducting different types of tournaments, option C ascetics renouncing worldly pursuits and highlight other worldliness, and option D skirmishes taking place among the various Aryan tribes. The correct answer is popular institutions conducting different types of tournaments. The Rigvedic samanas were probably popular institutions conducting different types of tournaments. Next question is how many times is the word Varna used in the Rigveda in the sense of a birth-based social division? 10 times, 5 times, only once or nil? The correct answer is nil. Next question is we have to match list 1 with list 2. So Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Sun, Moon. So Brahmin face, Kshatriya arms, Vaishya feet, Shudra thigh, Sun mind, Moon eyes. Which of the above is or are incorrectly matched? Choose the answers from the codes below. The right answer is Vaishya matched to feet, Shudra thighs, Sun mind, Moon eyes. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is the dasas are described by the Rig Veda as avrata, those who did not obey the ordinances of the gods, akratu, those who did not perform sacrifices, mridhravacha, those whose speech was distinct or those who were evil-tongued, anasara, those who were flat-nosed, Krishnadvaj, those who were dark-skinned. Choose the answers from the codes given below. So the right answer is option D, all of them. Next question is which one of the following Rigvedic gods was frequently referred to by the epithet of Atithi, literally meaning a guest? Agni, Indra, Varuna or Soma? The correct answer is Agni. Next question is consider the following statement. The word Brahmin occurs several times in the Rigveda, but it was not used in the sense of a Varna. The word Rajanya occurs only in Purushukta, but at other places of the Rigveda, the word Kshatriya is used. Though the word Vaishya occurs only in the Purushukta of the Rig Veda, the word Vish is frequently employed in this Veda. In almost all hymns of the Rig Veda, the word Vish means Vaishya, though occasionally it also means the people who practiced cattle breeding. The word Shudra occurs not only in Purushokta but also in several other parts of the Rig Veda. Option A 1, 2, 3 are correct. Option B 2, 3, 4 are correct. Option C 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. And option D all are true. So the correct answer is 1, 2 and 3 are only true about Vedas. Next question is the Rig Vedic word Kulya meant option A threshing machine, option B a particular type of dress, option C an iron sword, option D an irrigation canal. The right answer is an irrigation canal. Next question is we have to match column or list 1 with list 2. On the side of list 1 we are having Karmara, Takshak or Tashta, Vapta or Vaptri, Charmanna, Hiranyakara, and on the other side we have barber, carpenter, blacksmith, goldsmith and tanner. So the correct answer is in the Vedic age Karmara means blacksmith, Vapta or Vaptri means barber, Takshak or Tasta means carpenter, Charmanna means tanner and Hiranyakara means goldsmith. And the next question is the Hiranyapindas and Manas of the Rig Veda were offerings made to the departed souls, gold pieces or ornaments of fixed value used as media of exchange, officials in charge of sacrificial ceremonies, religious oblations to expiate the sins. The correct answer is gold pieces or ornaments of fixed value used as media of exchange. Next question is which one of the following Rigvedic deities is assigned to all the three spheres of celestial, atmospheric and terrestrial? The options are Tvashtri, Vishnu, Varuna or Dayus. The correct answer is Tvashtri. Next question is which one of the following Vedic goddess personified decay, destruction and death? The options are Aditi, Nirti, Savitri or Aranyani. The correct answer is Nirti. Next question is which of the following from the earliest group of Upanishads belonging probably to the 8th century BC? Brihadaranyaka, Chandogya, Aitratreya, Taitattriya, Kaushastaki, Mundakya or Maitreyi? The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Brihadaranyaka, Chandaka, Aitatreya, Taitattriya and Kaushastaki. These are Upanishads belonging to 8th century BC. Next question is what are the Brahmodayas of the later Vedic period? Brahmin movement to protect their interests, matrimonial alliances among different classes of priests, penances performed to attain spiritual powers, debates organized by rulers like King Janaka. The correct answer is debates organized by rulers like King Janaka. Next question is what were the Kshatras of the later Vedic period? Intellectual debates, hermitages, grand sacrifices or domestic ceremonies? The answer is grand sacrifices. Next question is man is formed entirely out of desire and according to his desire is his resolve, and according to his resolve he performs the actions, and according to the performance of the action is his destiny. The above passage found in the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, which deals with doctrine of rebirth, moksha, enlightenment or karma. The answer is karma. Next question is the Mrityu or death theme appears first in the Aitareya Brahmana, Satapatha Brahmana, Chandogya Upanishad or Prashna Upanishad. The correct answer is Satapatha Brahmana. Next question is which one of the following texts show us that symbolic sati was practiced by the Aryans? Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda, or Aitarvaya Brahmana? The answer is Atharva Veda. Next question is, which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Sira means plow, Sita means furrows, Datra means sickle, Surpa means eggs. The answer is Surpa means eggs. It's not correct, it's incorrectly matched. Next question is, which one of the following deals with the doctrine of transmigration of soul in a systematic manner for the first time? Aitarvaya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad or Kena Upanishad? The answer is Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Next question is, the anti-Vedic and anti-Brahmanic religious teachers of the later Vedic period were known as Yajamanas, Shresthinis, Atharvanas and Shramanas. The answer is Shramanas. Next question is, which one of the following Vedic text expounds the Pranognigotra, the fire oblation through breath as a substitute for the basic rite? Kaushitaki Aranyaka, Aitarvaya Aranyaka, Chandogya Upanishad or Brihadaranyaka Upanishad? The answer is Kaushitaki Aranyaka. Next question is, according to the Rig Veda, Panis were indulged in cultivation, trade or commerce, handicrafts, hunting and gathering. The answer is trade and commerce. Next question is, the later Vedic terms Swarajya and Vairajya were used in the sense of monarchical form of government, tribal form of government, republican form of government or autocratic form of government. The answer is republican form of government. Next question is, the word Kushidin used in the Satapada Brahmana was a designation for the usurer, bird, perfume maker or outcast. The answer is usurer. Next question is, which one of the following Vedic text makes the first and nearest attempt at the classification of the types of governments of the later Vedic period? Aitarvaya Brahmana, Satapatha Brahmana, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad or Kaushitaki Upanishad? The answer is Aitarvaya Brahmana. Next question is, which one of the following Vedic text gives a detailed description of the Upanayanaka Samskara or Skarment? The options are Satapatha Brahmana, Atharva Veda, Yajur Veda or Aitarvaya Brahmana. The answer is Satapatha Brahmana. Next question is, which one of the following rishis or sheets cannot be credited with the composition of any part of the Rig Veda Samhita? Vishwamitra, Vasishtha, Valmiki or Bharadwaj? The answer is Valmiki. Next question is, how many times does the term Jana in the sense of tribe occur in the Rig Veda? 250 times, 275 times, 300 times or 325 times? The answer is 275 times. Next question is, which one of the following can be considered as the most numerous Varna of the Vedic society? Shudras, Vaishyas, Kshatriyas or Mlechas? The answer is Vaishyas. Next question is, which one of the following tribal assemblies was normally involved in the election of the tribal chief? Samiti, Sabha, Kana or Vidhata? The answer is Samiti. Next question is, the Sulva Sutras attached to the Shrota Sutras were the oldest book on astronomy, chemistry, geometry or medicine? The answer is geometry. Next question is, the Rig, Yajur and Samhavedas are together known as Samhitas, Shruti, Trijana or Triveda? The answer is Triveda. Next question is, which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Samaveda Samhita, origin of Indian music, Atharva Veda Samhita, origin of Indian medicine, Rig Veda Samhita, earliest prose or Yajur Veda Samhita, original of rituals? The pair which is not correctly matched is Rig Veda Samhita, earliest prose. The next question is, which one of the following post-Vedic Upanishads was the first to deal with the concept of Trimurti? Kena Upanishad, Maitrayana Upanishad, Shvetasvara Upanishad or Mundaka Upanishad? The answer is Maitrayana Upanishad. Next question is, which one of the following Samhitas refers to the king as Vishamatta, meaning eater of peasants? Atharva Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda or Rig Veda? The answer is Atharva Veda. Next question is, who among the following artisan classes were entitled to wear the sacred thread in the Vedic period? Chariot makers, fire rangers, weavers or goldsmiths? The answer is chariot makers. Next question is, the marriage of Maruts with Rodasi resulted in polygamy, levirate, monogamy or polyandry? The answer is polyandry. Next question is, the Supa Shastra is a text on the science of agriculture, horticulture, cooking or metallurgy. The answer is cooking. Next question is, which one of the following tribal assemblies probably had the redistributive functions? Sabha, Samiti, Gana or Vidhata? The answer is Gana. Next question is, which one of the following Vedic texts deal with the ploughing rituals at length? Yajurveda Samhita, Satapatha Brahmana, Kaushitaki Upanishad or Atharva Veda Samhita? The answer is Satapatha Brahmana. Next question is, which one of the following Brahmana describes the Brahmin as a seeker of livelihood and an acceptor of gifts but remover at will? Tandyamaha, Aitarreya, Satapatha or Gopatha? The answer is Aitarreya. Next question is, who was the first to discover close affinities between Sanskrit and some of the principal languages of Europe? Max Muller, Sir William Jones, Penka or Filippo Sassetti? The answer is Filippo Sassetti. Next question is, which one of the following is the oldest known group of the Aryans? Hittites, Mitannies, Kassites or Greeks? The answer is Hittites. Next question, the term Airaya or Haraya referred to kinsmen, noblemen, a part of Afghanistan, Gangetic Valley. The answer is a part of Afghanistan. Next question is, how many times are the term Asva and Go respectively mentioned in the Rig Veda? 375 and 250 times, 215 and 176 times, 175 and 125 times, 150 and 115 times? The answer is 215 and 176 times. Next question is, horse bones have been discovered in the PGW levels of Atranjikhera, Bhagwanpura, Hastinapur or Mathura? The answer is Atranjikhera, Bhagwanpura or Hastinapur. Next question is, certain categories of human beings or animals are listed as unfit for sacrifice in the Attatreya Brahmana, Kaushitaki Brahmana, Taittiriya Brahmana or Satapatha Brahmana? The answer is Satapatha Brahmana. Next question, which one of the following texts prescribed that Brahmins must be fed with meat and fish to satisfy the Pitras or fathers? Griha Sutras, Apastavambar Dharma Sutras, Atharva Veda or Gopatha Brahmana? The answer is Apastamba Dharma Sutras. The next question is, which one of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Ashikni Chenab, Satudri Satlaj Vipash Jhelam, Purushini Ravi. The answer is Vipash Jhelam. This is not Vipash Jhelam are incorrectly matched. Next question is, the Ratnaha Vimshi ceremony was carried out as part of the Soma sacrifice, Ashwamedha sacrifice, Vajapaya sacrifice or Rajasuya sacrifice. The answer is Rajasuya sacrifice. Next question is, the origin of Indian music can be traced to which of the following Vedic Samhitas? Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda or Atharva Veda? The answer is Samaveda. Next question is, which of the following Vedic Samhitas is partly in verse and partly in prose? Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda or Atharva Veda? The answer is Yajurveda. Next question, which of the following does not come under Shruti literature? Brahmanas, Vedangas, Aranyas or Upanishads? The answer is Vedangas. Next question, which of the following Brahmanas mentions the eastern and western seas for the first time? Satapada Brahmana, Aitraya Brahmana, Kaushitaki Brahmana or Taitriya Brahmana? The answer is Shatapatha Brahmana. Next question, which of the following sutras is the historian mainly concerned? Nirukta Sutra, Griha Sutra, Shrotra Sutra or Dharma Sutra? The answer is Dharma Sutras. Next question is, which of the following animals was probably not known to the Vedic people? Elephant, lion, tiger or horse? The answer is tiger. Next question is, which of the following was not a unit of value used by the merchant and traders of the later Vedic period? Gana, Nishka, Krishnala or Satamana? The answer is Gana. Next question is, which mandala or book of the Rigveda Samhita mentions Shudras for the first time? First, 5th, 10th or 15th mandala? Or 15th mandala? The answer is 10th mandala. Next question is, which of the following social practices was only symbolic in the Rigvedic period? Child marriage, Purdaha system, Sati or dowry system? The answer is Sati. Next question is, which of the following Rigvedic gods is said to be the upholder of the Rita or cosmic order? Indra, Agni, Varuna or Soma? The answer is Varuna. Next question is, which of the following later Vedic gods is said to have evolved from the Harappan cult of Pashupati Mahadeva? Prajapati, Rudra, Vishnu or Pushan? The answer is Rudra. The belief in the passage of human soul from life to life is contained in which part of the Vedic literature? Samhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas or Upanishads? The answer is Upanishads. Next question, the division of India into 5 parts is to be found in which of the following Brahmanas? Aitraya, Tandiya Maha, Jaminiya, Kaushitaki? The answer is Aitraya. Next question, which of the following contains the famous Gayatri mantra addressed to the solar deity Savitri? Chandogya Upanishad, Tattattriya Upanishad, Rigveda and Samhita, Yajurveda Samhita? The answer is Rigveda Samhita. Next question, which of the following Varnas was the most numerous one, comprising the common people in the Vedic period? Shudras, Vaishyas, Kshatriyas or Brahmins? The answer is Vaishyas. Next question, which of the following mentions the word Gotra for the first time? Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda or Atharva Veda? The answer is Atharva Veda. Next question, which one of the following tribal assemblies is considered as the oldest of all? Sabha, Samiti, Vidhata or Gana? The answer is Vidhata. Next question is, which of the following works was the earliest to deal with the origin of kinship in the form of a legend? Rigveda, Aitarya Brahmana, Chandogya Upanishad or Dhanurveda? The answer is Aitraya Brahmana. Next question is, pick out the earliest tax from the following: Bhaga or spoils of war, Bali or voluntary offerings, Visti or forced labor, Kada or custom share of grain? The answer is Bali or voluntary offerings. Next question is, which of the following mentions the royal sacrifices of Rajasuya, Ashwamedha and Vajapaya for the first time? Samhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas or Upanishads? The answer is Brahmanas. Next question is, how many gods were worshipped by the Aryans in the Rigvedic or early Vedic period? 3 only, 12, 24 or 33? The answer is 33. Next question is, which mandalas or books of the Rigveda Samhita are considered as the latest book on the style of their composition as well as the nature or the material culture revealed by them? Mandala 1 and 2, Mandala 2 and 9, Mandala 1 and 10 and Mandala 9 and 10. The answer is Mandala 1 and 10. Next question, the great flood is said to have occurred during the time of which Manu, from whose son the two great solar and lunar dynasties took birth? First Manu, second Manu, fifth Manu or seventh Manu? The answer is seventh Manu. Next question, which mandala of the Rigvedic Samhita is wholly devoted to the intoxicating drink of Soma and the god who is named after the drink? Options are 10, 9, 1 or 6. The right answer is Mandala 9. Next question is, which of the four Vedic Samhitas is considered as the least useful for the purpose of reconstruction of the history of the Aryans? Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda or Atharva Veda? The answer is Samaveda. Next question is, philological studies of different languages has established that Aryans were directly related to the ancestors of some groups of people. Pick them out from among the following: Persian, Chinese, Greeks, Latins, Teutons, Celts. The answer is Persians, Greeks, Latins, Teutons and Celts. Next question is, which of the following are the Upavedas? Shiksha, Jyotisha, Gandharva, Shilpa, Ayur or Dhanu? The answers are Gandharva, Shilpa, Ayur and Dhanu. Next question is, which of the following statements about Indra of the Rigvedic period are true? About 250 Rigvedic hymns are devoted to him. He played the role of warlord. He was the intermediary between gods and people. He was considered to be the rain god. The answers are the statements which are true about god Indra are: about 250 Rigvedic hymns are devoted to him. He played the role of warlord. He was considered to be the rain god. Next question, who among the following were the most important gods of the later Vedic period? Indra, Prajapati, Agni, Vishnu, Rudra or Varuna? The answer is Prajapati, Vishnu and Rudra. Next question is, the word Varna is used in the Rigveda with reference only to the color difference between Arya and Dasha, Dayus and Arya, Brahmin and Kshatriya, Vaishya and Kshatriya. The answer is Arya and Dasa. Next question, while Chandogya Upanishad is the earliest to mention the first three ashrams, the earliest clear reference to the four ashrams of the student, householders, forest hermit and recluse is found in Jabala Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Kaushitaki Upanishad or Shivastara Upanishad? The answer is Jabala Upanishad. Next question, the first elaborate description of Upanayana is found in Aitreya Brahmana, Tandiya Mahabrahmana or Satapatha Brahmana? The answer is Satapatha Brahmana. Who among the following women is not mentioned to have attained the rank of a rishi in Rigveda? Vishyavara, Apala, Arundhati or Gosha? The answer is Arundhati. Next question is, Mandala 9 of the Rigveda contains 114 hymns and all are addressed to one god. Who is that god? So, Soma, Agni, Indra or Varuna? The answer is Soma.